The first day of my 2-day weekend adventure is the Tonto Natural Bridge State Park. This natural bridge is unbelievably massive. It is a short hike from the parking, although coming back up to the trailhead is really steep. I love how the water from the falls and the roof drops like rain inside the tunnel.
I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room, walls are tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of high. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of high. I try to get everyone to see me. I play my games, but I just end up looking like a showcase. I haven't myself to blame. I'm sitting here in this empty room, walls keep tumbling down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody, so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of high. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of high. I'm getting really scared of high. I'm getting really scared of high. I'm in the spotlight, not until midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand. 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
Hello guys, it is too hot today and I'm currently on the trail going to the Fossil Creek with the waterfalls, not the other side on the Bob Trail. It is just so hot today. I finished one bottle of water in the car before starting hiking from lot 2, which is not too far. I wish I'm on the lot 1, but lot 2 is just probably a quarter mile more. My gosh, my sweat is hurting my eyes. And now I just passed the trailhead and I finished the second water bottle. I thought this trail is gonna be shaded, but it looks like it's exposed from the parking lot up to here. I'm not sure moving forward if it's still exposed or if it's shaded. But I think I had my rest here in the shade and I have to start walking, going to the waterfall.
what happened. Guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye.
I am not yet at the waterfall, but I just want to stop by here for a second and then admire how clear this water is. It's so pretty. And look, there's a red flower right there.
Try to move on. I'll get over you. Only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me were so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you.
All that heat is worth it. Hot water is so cold. It's awesome.
When I met you, we were like fireworks. Nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me were so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. Understand right now how to make it through.
Now let's see if I can go back. I think everybody left and it's getting cool now, so I'm gonna start heading back. That was fun.
Baby, you and me were so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. Understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. Ooh, I'll get over you. Oh, I'll get over you.
Man, I am just tired today. That was awesome. Earlier it was super hot, then I got into the water. It was cold, freezing cold, but then I got used to it, so I started having fun. That is my adventure for this week. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. See you on the next trail or adventure. I don't know what I'm doing. Bye. This day couldn't be more amazing. It's raining.